Deciding to resign from your job isn't easy. But trust me, definitely it's necessary because you cannot get stuck to one job for a decade. This means you must know how to resign gracefully. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to write a resignation letter. I am Nancy, I'm the founder of CareerViews Consulting. I help job seekers finding their dream jobs. I help seasoned professionals elevate their careers, and I also help corporate organizations to make HR management better and happier for them. So without any delays, let's get you started with writing a resignation letter. Writing a resignation letter is not very difficult, other than feeling emotionally overwhelmed. The key component of writing a resignation letter is knowing what you want in future. When I say knowing about the future, I mean what kind of relationship do you want to keep with your current employer. So as the first step of your resignation letter, you must begin by asking yourself what kind of experience you had with the organization. So the tone of your resignation letter depends a lot on your experience with the organization. You could resign either ways, by throwing the resignation on the table and running out of the door. If you've had great colleagues, you have learned a lot with the organization, you would definitely write a very pleasing resignation letter. Though the news is not pleasing, but your tone would be very polite. But at the same time, even if you had a toxic work environment and you're very happy to leave, still you cannot slam all the information in the resignation letter and throw it on your boss's table. It's against the ethics. The reason for that is no bridges are ever burnt in professional network. This company would be the company where your references would be in the future. Corporate world and industry level professionals are generally working in a very close proximity. Everybody gets to know about everybody. So it's not right or it's not ethical to just put a two-word resignation, I quit. When I wrote my first resignation letter, I was dying to get out of that organization. It was a very toxic work environment, a very bad boss. I couldn't wait longer to stay in that organization. When I put in my papers, I did not even mention anything about the notice period. And my boss also agreed that I must leave immediately. So I never served the notice period. But when I look back, I realized that I could not take that organization's name for any of the references, though it comes in the Fortune 500 companies. That's why at the beginning of this video, I told writing a resignation is not difficult, but what you want after that resignation, that truly matters. No matter how bad your relationship was with the company, your resignation template has to be short and to the point. I'll give you an example of a resignation letter. The easiest template to write your resignation is, I am writing to inform you that I am resigning from the position of this in this company and my last working day would be this. Short, simple, end of the story. You need not to portray any of your experiences or negative thoughts or anything else in your resignation letter. If you hate your job, still don't quote examples in your resignation letter of why you are leaving. There is no need to do so. But if you don't hate your job and you've had an okay or average working experience, compliment them. Take it as a networking opportunity. Mention your learnings and thank the organization for giving you an opportunity to work with them. In this case, the template would be, Dear Sir, Madam, whosoever you want to address the resignation letter to, please be informed. I am putting up my resignation from the position of this. I've had a great opportunity of being a part of this organization. I would like to thank my boss's name or your supervisor's name for teaching me so many new things during my tenure. Please let me know if you want me to work on something specific before my last working day, which is this. Thank you so much for all your support and cooperation. Yours sincerely, XYZ. So this template is a bit better than the previous one, and it clearly shows that you want to leave in good terms. Now, let's talk about a resignation letter when you really love your job and you got a better opportunity to work for and you decided to make a move. In that case, your resignation has to go this way. Dear Sir, Madam, please accept my formal resignation effective from, mention the date. After that, you can mention, it has not been an easy decision for me to make to move out of this organization. I have been very grateful in working with such amazing co-workers and a great organization, like mention the organization's name. It's time for me to pursue something more closely aligned with my aspirations. It clearly states that you've got something better and you're moving on. Thank you so much for this opportunity to work on, mention any projects that you want to mention. Also state, I'm willing to work till this date, but if I am required to work a week extra or how much you want to work extra, you can convey that in your resignation letter. You can also propose in for an exit interview. You can mention that, please let me know when would you like to have me for an exit interview. And the next steps forward, so that it shows that you are keen and you're trying to be helpful for the company to complete any projects. If not an extension, you can always quote that if the company likes any recommendations or you could refer any of your known people for this position. See to it in what way you could be helpful for the organization while putting up your resignation. See, I told you, writing resignation letter is not a very complicated process. It totally depends how your experience has been with the company. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be leaving more links about exit process. It would include exit interviews. It would include what you should mention, how you should resign properly. I would be leaving a link of more of related videos about exit and offboarding. Do check them out. Do let me know if I could help you in any way with your resignation process, or if you have any questions. I'd be glad to answer your questions. Do visit my website www.careerviews.com for more career inspiration. You can find my videos there, and additionally you could read my career blog for more of the career tips. If you're watching my video for the first time, do not miss to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for weekly career videos. Thanks for watching.